So the first thing that I'm going to do over in code is put in my image sprites. So those are going to be making the actual variable that holds the image that we want in our game. I'm going to go to the Sprites toolbox, and I use comments for everything because I like to know what my code is doing. This is image sprites. So I'm going to pull over var sprite. This creates the variable for that sprite image. And I'm going to name it player because that's going to be my main player. I'm going to leave the location right now at 200, 200 because I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put it in, but that's okay. And then I'm going to pull over a sprite.setAnimation and say player again. And this time I'm going to choose my unicorn. And right now if I click run, nothing's going to happen because I haven't told it to draw a sprite. So I'm going to go to world. And for right now, I'm just going to throw this draw sprites in here so I can see what's going on. Now when I run it, you can see the unicorn is right there. She's a little big. We're probably going to have to resize her. But let's first get the rest of our sprites in here. So I'm going to pull over one for my background. I'm actually going to put it above this one, and I'm going to name it rainbow background, and pull over set animation, again rainbow background, and choose that rainbow background. Now I get that background, but it's not taking up the whole screen, so we're going to need to resize that too. I'm going to do scale. I'm going to say rainbow background.scale, and I'm going to make it 25% bigger, 1.25. Still not big enough, so we're going to do 1.5. Beautiful. We have a rainbow. I like it. It's cute. Okay. Then I'm going to add the rest of them in here. Actually just going to name this enemy, make it easier for you. Now they're all in the same location, so when I run this we're not going to be able to see them. I'm going to move my unicorn up a little bit, and I'm going to move my gem over a little bit, my cupcake, and then my enemy, and run it, and you should see each of the images. Now you can see that some of them are way too big, and that's awesome that we know that. Now we can work with resizing them. So I'm going to go to that sprite.scale, and I can see that the gem is too big, so I'm going to say gem, and I'm going to scale it down. Let's try 0.5 and run it. That's an okay size. I think I want it a little bit smaller. So 0.3. And the cupcake is also a little bit too big. Actually a lot too big. So I'm going to scale that. I'm going to do 0.2 on that one. That's perfect. It's nice and small. Same size as the gem. The enemy's too big. That gremlin's huge. Let's take him down half the size. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with our player. We're going to take her down just a little bit. Try 0.5. Okay, that's better sizing for everybody. Now we have more playing room on the screen. So that's how you're going to put all of your images and code them actually in here by creating them as a variable and then setting the image animation based off the animations that we uploaded before. Scaling is up to you how you want to scale, the sizes you want to use. You'll notice the ones that I didn't put a 0 in front of give you the yellow excuse me, error. Just click and put a 0 and then that'll go away. So for right now, we just have our images in.